Welcome to part 2 of my Jagdpanther speed drawing video. In this video I'm colouring in the line art from part 1. If you like what you see, leave a comment and like the video. So I thought I'd give you a bit of extra commentary this time so you have a better idea of what it is that you're watching. So this bit of artwork is done in Photoshop CS6 and the majority of the work is done with a pen tool, which is this little tool here that's producing all of these straight lines with lots of little dots. What I'm doing at the moment is going around and creating all the flat colour for the design. So this will be all of the mid-tones that will form the majority of the colour palette for the vehicle. So here I am going around adding in the camouflage for the vehicle and covering end to end of the vehicle, the wheels, and doing all of the darker shading for underneath. Next I'm putting in some of the detail from the original illustration, so symbols to identify the vehicle, numbering on the side, and the little white cross there, which is usually on German military vehicles of the period. Next part of the process is to put in the shadows. So as you can see here, I'm going around with a shape tool again and creating a layer which is essentially just darkening all of the colours. So everywhere where I'm imagining that there is a shadow, so if the sun is above the vehicle, then all of the lower surfaces are going to get a covering of this shape, which will give you the impression of shadows. So I'm going around doing this on all of the characters and every aspect of the image. So the next part is to put in highlights, so all the upper surfaces this time get a lighter coat, which then indicates the surfaces that are closest to the sun and therefore highlighted. So tops of the helmets, all of the upper surfaces of the vehicle, anything that's potentially shiny like the shell casings there, and even the upper surfaces of the tracks. Gives the drawing a lot more depth, makes it look a lot more exciting. Main vehicle shadow going in there, everything that would cast a shadow on the ground. Now I'm putting in some extra detail on one of the soldiers here, so creating a camouflage for his jacket. And here's some extra detail going in on the surface of the vehicle. This is meant to look like a substance called Zimmerit, which was put on the outside of armoured vehicles to stop magnetic mines from sticking. The idea being if an enemy soldier runs up with a magnetic mine, stick it on, it'll explode and destroy the vehicle. So this stuff was applied to as a defence against that. So the last part here is lots of dirt going on to look like the vehicle has been in action, covering all the lower surfaces as you'd imagine, drying through lots of puddles would achieve. And there you have it, all done. So just a bit of scarring in there, battle damage, and we're finished. Thanks for watching, cry havoc, and let's slip the dogs of war.